Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. We're going to start with a story about NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, which is set to launch soon. This powerful telescope will be able to detect thousands of cosmic explosions, including supernovae and tidal disruption events, which occur when a star gets too close to a black hole. But what's really exciting about the Roman Space Telescope is its ability to study these events in unprecedented detail, giving us new insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies, stars, and black holes. According to recent research, the Roman Space Telescope will be able to detect up to 100 tidal disruption events per year, which will help scientists understand how supermassive black holes grow and evolve over time. These events are rare and often fleeting, but they provide a unique opportunity for scientists to study the environment around black holes and learn more about their role in shaping the universe. The Roman Space Telescope will be working in tandem with other observatories, such as the Rubin Observatory, to detect and study these cosmic explosions. By combining data from multiple telescopes, scientists will be able to build a more complete picture of the universe and its many mysteries. One of the big questions that scientists hope to answer with the Roman Space Telescope is how supermassive black holes formed in the early universe. There are two main theories. One suggests that they grew from small seeds, while the other proposes that they were born with much larger masses. By studying tidal disruption events and other cosmic explosions, scientists may be able to determine which theory is correct. The Roman Space Telescope is an exciting new tool for astronomers, and its discoveries will help us better understand the universe and its many wonders. We'll be keeping a close eye on its progress and sharing more updates with you in future episodes of Star Chat. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're excited to dive into our middle segment where we explore the latest developments in space exploration. This marks a significant milestone in the mission, as the trio launched aboard the Soyuz MS-29 spacecraft from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan just hours earlier. Menon, along with Roscosmos cosmonauts Pyotr Dubrov and Anna Kikina, will be spending several months on the space station conducting scientific research and technology demonstrations aimed at advancing human space exploration. One of the fascinating aspects of this mission is the research that Menon will be conducting on semiconductor crystals, which could enable large-scale manufacturing of components needed for high-performance computers and artificial intelligence. But what is really interesting about this crew is the diverse range of experiences they bring to the table. Dubrov, for example, has a background in engineering and has previously spent time on the space station, while Kikina is a seasoned cosmonaut with a passion for science and exploration. And then there's Menon, who comes from a medical background and will be conducting research on ultrasound, using augmented reality and artificial intelligence methods. As the crew settles into their new home on the space station, they'll be joining an international team of astronauts and cosmonauts who are working together to push the boundaries of human knowledge. With a range of exciting experiments and research projects on the horizon, this mission is sure to be an exciting one to watch. The arrival of Menon and his crewmates marks the beginning of a new era of cooperation and discovery on the space station, and we can't wait to see what they accomplish during their time in orbit. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've got one more fascinating story to share with you before we wrap up today's episode. You might have heard about the latest development in space technology, a giant space mirror that's been approved for testing by the Federal Communications Commission. This massive mirror is designed to beam sunlight back to Earth, potentially providing a new source of clean energy. However, not everyone is convinced that this is a good idea. Scientists are warning that this space mirror could have unintended consequences on our planet's ecosystems and even interfere with astronomical observations. The mirror's reflective surface could also increase the amount of debris in Earth's orbit, making it more difficult for satellites to operate safely. And let's not forget the potential impact on our atmosphere. With thousands of satellites and rocket bodies burning up in the atmosphere every year, we're already seeing changes in our ozone layer and atmospheric chemistry. It's a complex issue, and one that requires careful consideration of the potential risks and benefits. As we continue to push the boundaries of space technology, it's essential that we prioritize responsible innovation and ensure that our pursuit of progress doesn't come at the cost of our planet's well-being. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.